Guys,
Go in the kitchen.
Get us
No, it's me. It's me, chicken nugget.
We're straight. Chicken nugget, brother. Oh my god.
Get off that. Alexa, shut up.
Chicken nugget, shut up.
Chicken nugget. We've lost too many chicken nuggets.
I'm a chicken nugget also.
No, there's another chicken nugget. Any chicken nugget, every chicken nugget, go to the vault.
Oh, chicken nugget!
Chicken nugget.
Another chicken nugget.
Go.
He needs to come in here. There's two chicken nuggets. There's two chicken nuggets. Chicken nugget, go up to the top. Go to the balcony. Go up here, chicken nugget.
Chicken nuggets are too strong. No, I can't.
The chicken nuggets have too much power. We will fight back. We have shotguns.
No!
Come up here, chicken nugget. Chicken nugget, come on.
I can't make it. No.
We've lost two chicken nuggets.
I hate you.
We need to stay alive. We must fight back.
Kill the chicken
With
nugget.
what?
The nugget's lost! The nugget's lost! Don't kill him!
Nuggets are too powerful. Somebody's coming in. Point your guns. Point your guns. Okay, good.
The Nugget Brothers.
No, he's good. He's good. He was one of the Nugget brothers.
I'm good.
You just typed in something random and it unlocked.
I'm up here with you guys. I have zero
Don't attack us.
cotton.
He attacks. He attacks. Gotta
Run, Chicken Nugget Brothers.
No.
Run, Chicken Nugget Brothers.
Juked.
Okay?
Lost.
Okay, run. I'll show you a hiding spot. Follow me, Chicken Nugget Brothers. Follow me.
I'm gone.
Oh,
Found the golden chicken nuggets in the golden. Don't.
Just hide under this chair. It's the golden hiding spot. Nobody finds me here. This is where I usually hide. Inside, like this.
I'm back, chicken nuggets. Chicken nugget, I was on a long chase.
Go under there.
Okay.
Okay, one go.
No!
Go. We, dude, I shouldn't have said that
You
out.
didn't see the chicken nugget?
Out
Bro,
loud.
let's go.
Bro,
Mr. Dragon.
we gotta be careful. Okay.
I'm back.
We gotta save the chicken nugget brothers.